shit, bro.
Damn. Where's that booty?
It's like right now. It's like it's like right now. It's like
We're done with the parade. This is Micaela.
Hey!
She's gonna be new to the vlog.
I screamed and now my throat hurts.
Okay.
Hey guys,
Hi.
it's Steph.
It's Steph. She's finally in the vlog.
Are you
Here's a
recording
vlog?
for the vlog? Hi everyone, I'm Steph. I'm 19, Aquarius.
This is not a Tinder profile, it's a vlog.
Like spicy food, and if you're spicy, I'll like you
She's
too.
gonna have-
I'm gonna
okay.
tell the vlog a joke.
Go for it.
What do you call a plain? Oh, I messed it up. What do you call a bagel that flies? A plain bagel. Heyo!
Well, we just lost like 13
Okay.
subscribers.
Gang,
Who was that?
we have a new member. Yes.
This is
The one and
the
only.
one and only, the greatest of the great.
Congratulations, the vlog just got 10 times better. With like one earthquake. Am I gonna marry Ember?
I mean, Takuya divorced me, so
I mean, if Clint-
there are days I miss him, but I don't think he's gonna take me back. So you know what? Turn the camera off. It's the Asian in me. I'm gonna burn.
I just roasting the YouTube community.
No, we are part of the YouTube community.
Fuck all you YouTubers out there. If you're not Edgar Miranda,
What is that? Where are we?
Nigel.
yeah.
What? I can't read you.
Stay.
Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Thanks for bringing the vlog though.
No problem. Hey, fuck all you YouTubers out there.
Stop!
No, Edgar. Edgar, stop. This is my stick. Damn it! Wait, I'm tired.
Who wins? No one.
Oh, Amber won. Pigeons.
Fuck all you YouTubers out there.
Stop!
Where are the sparks?
How long have we been out here, Nigel?
About. Say fuck all you YouTubers out there.
God damn it, Nigel. I nutted on so hard. I wish the camera was on. No.
Fuck no.
Should have been you.
I know, that should have been me. And
Fuck
the camera too. You just saved the vlog. How do you feel?
Fuck all you YouTubers out there.
My eyes burn. It's salt water.
Oh, you got nutted on budget. That's what happens when you say fuck Poseidon.
Oh, fuck Poseidon, bro. My wife and kids, I love them.
I tell them. Kenny, no. No.
I close my eyes. I don't know how to feel.
Okay, I really care about the environment, and like, I just hate seeing animals just beached on the sand like that. I hate when whales are beached. Beached whale.
I brought a roll too.
Round two?
Round two.
Oh!
Get that shit going.
Let's get, bro! Let's spark that shit up!
Oh.
Pass that shit!
So excited.
There's another one! How do I do it?
Just light it. This is a piece of fucking from the beach. It's not real. It's a stick. You thought it was weed.
It looks like it. It looked like your little rope shit. I thought you were being creative, bro. And you know I'm blind as shit.
Should we bury him?
But yeah.
What if I just like picked it up and just like.
Yeah, move him to the rock so we can bury it. Not really. Damn. I don't know. I'll just be like exactly like that.
I'll leave him on there.
Oh, the fucking branches, Nigel.
Fuck all you YouTubers out there.
Nigel.